Light and color theory in 3D environments, shading models for realistic textures and shadows, lighting techniques, point lights, spotlights, and etc. Definition of 3D environments, importance of realistic lighting and shading, overview of what will be covered in the presentation. Definition of 3D environments, introduction to 3D environments, explanation of what constitutes a 3D environment in digital media and entertainment. Components of 3D environments. Discussion of the elements such as models, textures, lighting, and shading that make up the 3D environments. Applications. Highlighting diverse range of fields where 3D environments are utilized, including animation, gaming, architecture, and virtual reality. Importance of realistic lighting and shading. Enhancing realism, explanation of how realistic lighting and shading contribute to the believability and immersion of 3D environments. Emotional impact, discussion on how lighting and shading can evoke specific moods, atmospheres, and narratives within a scene. Technical considerations, overview of the technical aspects involved in implementing realistic lighting and shading, such as light, sources, material, properties, and rendering techniques. Overview of presentation content, fundamentals of lighting, advanced lighting techniques, shading and materials, case studies and examples, tools and software, future trends. Light and color theory. Basic principles of light behavior. Explanation of color models, RGB, CMYK, and etc. Importance of color temperature and its impact on mood. Basic principles of light behavior. Light behaves in various ways depending on the materials it encounters and the conditions it travels through. Some basic principles include reflection. When light encounters the surface, it can bounce off, creating what we perceive as reflection. Refraction. Light bends when it passes through different mediums of varying densities like air and water. Diffraction. When light encounters an obstacle or edge, it can bend around it, causing patterns of light and shadow. Absorption. Materials can absorb certain wavelengths of light, affecting the color we perceive. Explanation of color models. Color models are mathematical representations of color used in digital imaging, printing, and design. Some common color models include RGB, red, green, blue. This additive color model is used in electronic displays such as monitors, TVs, and cameras. C. Cyan, magenta, yellow, gray, and black. The subtractive color model is used in color printing. Magenta and yellow pigments are mixed to absorb certain wavelengths or light. White black. The key is added to improve contrast and depth in printed materials. HSL or HSV. Hue, saturation, lightness, value. These models define colors based on their hue, the type of color's saturation, the intensity of the color, and lightness, value, the brightness of the color. They are often used in graphic design and image editing software. Importance of color temperature and its impact on mood. Color temperature refers to the perceived form of coolness of light. Warm temperatures. Cool temperatures. Properly adjusting color temperature can create the desired ambience of different environments, affecting our emotions, perception of space, and even our circadian rhythms. Shading models. Introduction to shading models. Pong, bling pong, etc. Explanation of diffuse, specular, and ambient lighting components. Comparison of different shading models and their applications. Diffuse, specular, and ambient lighting components. Diffuse lighting. This component represents the light that scatters evenly in all directions upon hitting a surface. Specular lighting. Specular lighting simulates the reflection of light of shiny surfaces. It creates highlights that appear brightest when viewed from the direction of the light source of the viewer's perspective. Ambient, ambient lighting. Ambient lighting represents the global illumination in a scene, accounting for light that bounces multiple times and contributes to the overall brightness. It's a uniform lighting component applied evenly to all surfaces regardless of the orientation of proximity to light sources. Pong shading model. Description. The Pong shading model, introduced by Guitong Pong in 1975, computers lighting at each vertex of a polygon and interpolates across the surface. Advantages. Pong shading offers simplicity and flexibility in achieving smooth shading transition and realistic highlights. Blin Pong shading model. Description. The Blin Pong shading model, posed by Jim Blin, is an enhancement of the original Pong model. Advantages. Blin Pong shading provides a more accurate representation of the specular highlights compared to the original Pong model. Realistic textures. Importance of textures in 3D rendering. Overview of texture mapping techniques, UV mapping, procedural textures, and etc. Examples of realistic textures and their impact on rendering quality. Textures play a crucial role in 3D rendering, enhancing the realism and visual appeal of digital scenes. UV mapping. UV mapping is a technique used to apply textures to 3D models. It involves unwrapping the model's surface into a 2D plane UV space and then applying a 2D texture image to it. This technique allows the precise control over how textures are applied, enabling artists to achieve realistic results. Procedural textures. Procedural textures are generated algorithmically rather than being based on image data. They can be infinitely tiled and offer a high level of flexibility and control. Image textures. Image textures are the most common type of textures used in 3D rendering. They are created from photographs or hand-painted image and applied to 3D models. Example of realistic textures and their impact: wood, metal, fabric, stone, and skin.